Hi students, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss on some terminology of SSC, that is in the chapter sets. We are going to discuss on empty set, what is empty set, and what is universal set, and what is subset. Okay guys, so I have mentioned all the definitions here. Okay, what is an empty set? A set which doesn't contain any elements. Okay, a set which does not contain any elements is called the empty set. Okay, empty set అంటే ఏమీ లేదు, సెట్లో ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఏమీ లేకుండా ఉంటే దాన్ని ఎంప్టీ సెట్ అంటాం గైస్. ఓకే, ఎంప్టీ సెట్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో కాల్డ్ యాజ్ నల్ సెట్ ఆర్ void set. Okay, first I am going to discuss all these definitions, then I am going to give the examples guys. Now coming to the universal set. Okay, what is a universal set? What is a universal set? A set which has all the related sets. Okay, a set, I am mentioning a set which has the elements of all the related sets. Okay, without any repetition. Okay, it is called the universal set, and it is denoted by capital U or mu we call or omega. Okay, it is denoted by capital U or mu or omega. It is a omega symbol guys. You can represent with any of the symbol of universal set. Okay, now what is subset? Any part of the given set or any part of the universal set will be considered as a subset. Okay, so subset is actually, according to the math terminology, empty set we call universal set and subset. Okay, according to the English language, empty set is nothing but nothing. Okay, null, nothing. Universal set, this is a mathematical terminology. According to the English terminology, English language terminology, we call universal set as whole. Okay, suppose if we consider an example of first to five natural numbers. Okay, or take the natural number set. Natural numbers is a set, right? Because it contains all the sequence of numbers without any repetition. Okay, so if you take any few elements from that, therefore natural number set becomes the universal set because it is a whole. Because we are talking about that example, so that's why we should consider as a whole. Okay, and from that set we are taking only few elements, that is from 1 to 5. Okay, so we are taking a part of the natural numbers, right? So that is a subset. Okay, part is the English word, subset is a mathematical word. Okay, okay guys, subset, any set which is a part of a universal set or any set, it is called a subset. It is denoted by capital C, nothing but big C, denoted by big C. Okay, so I hope you understand these three terminologies, and in the next video we are going to discuss with examples of these three terminologies guys. Thank you.